If we try the smaller image, then we see that the image is actually smaller than the size of the screen. So it doesn't matter if we choose scale type to be center or center crop, the full image will be able to be shown in the view. And this is what it looks like with a photograph. Now let's try the icon. That was called Android. So the size of the icon is smaller than the size of the screen, so if we do wrap content for the width and height, then it should fit on the screen. It doesn't matter if we use center or center crop. Now what happens if we set the image view to be larger than the device size? Say we pick a really large number, like 900 dp in width and height. Then the image view will take up a size larger than the screen size, but the scale type is set to center, so the icon will be centered within that humongous image view. If we choose center crop though, the system tries to scale the image up to be a square of 900 dp by 900 dp, and then it centers and crops the image. Now that you've experimented with the ImageView XML, hopefully you have a better idea of how to display images in your app.